Bruce here from Bruce Fixes Stuff, and see, I fix stuff. And for those of you who remember the videos where we pulled the engine out of the Trans Am, that 79 black Smoking the Bandit style kind of sort of Trans Am, today we are at the point where we're getting it loaded up on the trailer, ready to take it to the rebuilder to get rebuilt. So I have the cherry picker in the back, and we're just heading over to the house where the Trans Am is at. Gonna pick up the engine, put it in the back of the trailer, and send it off to be rebuilt, and we'll be coming back to this once we get it back from the rebuilder. Well, this baby's gonna be coming out of here, and that is going into here, so it can go to be rebuilt. Who remembers this? Insert engine here. Yep, now we gotta get this thing off to be rebuilt. This thing might tip over that way, and we're in trouble if it does.
Oh, you're on that asphalt.
Yeah, but we're going, because I don't have any of this stuff really tight, there's not much stopping this thing from going wherever it wants. The less weight I got on there, the better. Okay, so go back that way. Okay, it just doesn't want to go. Okay, watch the camera behind you. Okay, I'm going to try to turn it around from this side.
Oh, don't go too far, you get this plug again.
Yep, hang on. But this is swaying, so.
Well, you can't come in this way, is it?
Okay, give me a second. Okay, so I got to keep this from swaying too far, so we got to go. Now we got to go forward. Hang on. That's pretty good. Maybe another foot. Maybe go a little bit more. I want it like right above the wheel so it's balanced. Another foot or so. Okay.
Want me back just a wee bit more? So there's that panel going into the hole.
Maybe hold it straight like that.
What, you need the chain on it?
No, I might need the chain. I might need the chain, and they might get it mixed up with their stuff, so let's not play around.
Yeah, hang on, I'll pull ahead.
Carefully, we don't want it to move over. I'll go for a ride and hang on to it. And now there's the engine in the trailer. We just gotta strap it down, make sure it ain't gonna go anywhere until it gets where we want it to go.
Oh yeah, that's pretty well good, right dead center.
Yeah. You don't want it too far forward or too far back, right?
Nope.
Okay. Yeah. Now that we've got that in the trailer, and that's sitting back here, and we know where it's supposed to go when we get it back because the sign says engine, insert engine here. So, I think we're pretty good to go here. Well, now the engine is in the trailer. Rod's going to take it down to the engine rebuilder Monday morning, tomorrow, and send it down to be rebuilt. Getting a full rebuild done, I won't see it again until it comes back. So for now, this is Bruce from Bruce Fixes Stuff, and even though I'm not really fixing stuff today, we're getting it set off to be fixed. So that sort of counts, right? All right. Talk later.